So for dinner tonight, we have some beef kielbasa that I cooked with some onions and peppers and then zucchini. And then I did a mix of sweet potato and I roasted them in the oven. And I just put salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and then Italian seasoning with a little bit of avocado oil for both of them. And then for this, I actually only put salt, and then this one I put all the other seasonings. And then the kids do not eat zucchini or onions or peppers, so what I serve them is the sausage, the potato, sweet potato, and then cucumbers on the side instead of zucchini. So that's the kids' version of what they had for dinner. For dinner tonight, Saturdays we usually do like indoor date night, so we try to do like nicer dinners. Chris was actually really in the mood for Caesar salad, so we did Caesar salad. So it's just grilled chicken, croutons, Parmesan cheese, the Caesar dressing, and lettuce. And then for appetizer, I did a spinach chip, which I'll leave the recipe link below. The only thing I change is I don't like artichokes, so I add mozzarella cheese instead of the artichokes. And the kids just had chicken, grapes, and smoothies for dinner. Okay, for dinner tonight, Chris grilled some burgers that we got from Aldi. They're the bacon cheddar burgers, and then we also got the pretzel buns from Aldi. And then I liked my burger pretty plain. I just put like cheese and mayonnaise on it. So I made like a tomato cucumber salad to go on the side, and then we have some kettle cooked chips for dinner tonight. It's grilled. And we did some chicken thighs. With the chicken thighs, they're boneless, skinless. And we just used a seasoning from Trader Joe's called 21 Salud seasoning. And I put that on top. And then we are trying a new barbecue sauce. This one is from Trader Joe's. Not Trader Joe's, Aldi. And it's called barbecue sauce Memphis style. So we're going to try that out today. And then he grilled some asparagus, and I just seasoned it with salt and oil. And then we made Mexican street corn, and the way I do this is I boil it. I put the corn in boiling water for 10 minutes, and then he grills it to get that like char flavor on the outside. And then we put butter, and then I make a mayonnaise, which is a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, half a tablespoon of chili powder, and then some lime juice. And then I mix that up, I spread it, and then you sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. So that is dinner tonight. For dinner tonight, we are having some pasta with Rao's Alfredo sauce, and then some grilled chicken. And to season it, I use that same Trader Joe's 21 Salud seasonings with some salt and oil. And then I paired it with green beans, and these just have like some avocado oil and garlic mixed in. So that's dinner tonight.